Hello, beautiful people. Today we are going to learn about asking questions in German language. W Fragen. W Fragen. W is pronounced as W in German, so it's W Fragen. The most common questions are where, who, what, was, where, wo, when, wann, which, welche, and how, wie. So let us learn how to use them. Before using them, we must be through with our grammar class of personal pronouns and how they are conjugated, position of verbs and its conjugations, and articles. For your revision, the card is up there on the top. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Soumya. Woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus Jaipur. Wo ist das? Jaipur liegt in Indien. Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Ich spreche Hindi, English und Deutsch. A new verb I have used here is liegen, to be located, to lie. So Jaipur liegt in Indian means Jaipur is located in India. So the conjugation goes like ich liege, du liegst, as liegt. Another new verb here is sprechen, to speak. Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? What languages do you speak? Sprechen. The conjugation is ich spreche, du sprichst, spricht. Oh, was ist das? Was heißt das auf Deutsch? Das ist ein Kuli. Wann ist die Party? Die Party ist am Sonntag. Okay, let's go to the party. Wer ist das? Who is he? Wer ist das? Oh, das ist Alex. Whenever we are forming a sentence in German language, we have to keep few things in our mind. Verbs always come in second position. Woher kommen Sie? Was trinken Sie? Wie heißt du? All the verbs are in second position. In our next class, I'll teach how to tell time, how to read the clock, and personal pronouns. And I think we need a small test now, okay? And do not forget to subscribe, learn German with ease.
Created using Powtoon.